Hi, my name is Rakshita, and the rest of my team members are Brian, Neha, and Nitya. And we're Team VibeCheck. VibeCheck is a web application that takes in user input relating to a mood and setting, and it creates customized plans and suggestions for music, TV shows, movies, food, and more. The purpose of VibeCheck is relating to the fact that there's a pandemic right now, and a lot of people are left to entertain themselves or with a small crowd. This app helps to make those decisions easier. Also, late millennials and early Gen Z people have a difficult time making decisions, so VibeCheck is meant to mitigate the stress and aid in helping make those decisions. Our primary persona is a recent graduate who moved to a new city pre-pandemic, and now they're trying to entertain themselves with the few friends they've made. So let's see what a use case for this user might look like.
So when a user comes to the VibeCheck website, this is the screen that they'll be presented with first. They can either immediately log in with their credentials, or if they're new to the site and don't have an account yet, here at the bottom it says sign up now, so they can click on that option and just fill in the usual credentials such as name, email, username, and a double authentication for the password. In our case, we already have a user account set up, so we're just going to click the back button here, and it'll take us back to the login screen where we put in the username Brian Lee and the password, and we're just going to click login right here. And once a user logs in, they go to their home screen. So their home screen has a couple things. They have the current weather and a welcome, and here at the top at the home and the profile icon. If you click on the profile icon, it quickly takes you to a little drop down menu with settings and privacy, and basically some tools to manage your account and your profile. Click anywhere off the screen to get rid of that. And here there's an option to browse popular vibes. These are things that are at the moment popular among users and users of similar demographic to the current user that is logged in. And then here at the bottom there are past vibes. These are packages or bundles that a user has used in the past. So here these are things that they've used in the last week and that they've enjoyed or liked, or basically want to keep in history in case you want to reuse them. So for example, if I, the logged in user, want to reuse the relax vibe, I just have to click on it and it'll take me to all of the suggestions that came with that package, such as the music, the Netflix shows, and the food. Here you can just click on the Netflix show again and it'll take you to the screen on Netflix with the description, and you can just click the home button to go back to the home page. So for this example, we're going to create our own custom vibe. So click on this icon here, the gray rectangles, and it'll take you to a screen where you are able to select the mood that you are in, or the mood that you are trying to create. So we have options for a positive and negative mood. Click on the arrows to create more. And in our case right now, we just want things to create a happy mood. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to highlight that icon to show that you selected it. And here at the bottom right, there's a next icon. So click on that. And also at the top, we have the home button and a back button that you can use wherever. The home button will always default take you to the home screen that you saw at the beginning. So now we have the playlist, the music page. So this will show you suggested playlists for the happy mood that you selected. And so if you want to see what songs come under different playlists, you can simply click on that playlist and it'll take you to a screen with the songs that come under that playlist. And this is essentially selecting that for what you want. So this is the playlist I want. So I'm just going to go back and click the next button here. And now is the entertainment aspect, where you can select the shows and movies that you want. And just like you saw with the past vibes, here you can click on the movie that you're interested in, and it'll take you and show you a quick description from Netflix of that, and you can see if that's what interests you, and then go back and click on the next button again. And now we're at food. So this will show you desserts, appetizers, drinks from places according to the current location that you inputted in your profile. So currently the location is Ann Arbor, so it has dessert, appetizer, main, and drink suggestions that you can purchase in Ann Arbor. So if something catches your eye, you can just click on it and it'll take you to the Grubhub page where you can customize it and purchase it. And then go back to get back to this page, and then just click next after you've made your food. selections. And also in a future implementation, we'll have food that you can purchase on Grubhub and DoorDash, but we'll also have recipes and ingredient lists so that you can create it yourself rather than having to buy food. And then if you click the next button, you can name the vibe of everything you've selected, and then just click the create button to finally create it. And then it'll take you back to the home page. And now you see at the bottom left, now that's the past vibe that you've created, and you can click on that and it'll just show you a quick summary of everything that you've selected. And then just go back to the home page, and that's our lo-fi prototype.